Welcome to the Mind Spark, bringing you the latest news from around the world. For centuries, we've gazed at the night sky, awed and a little afraid of its mysteries. Among the most terrifying are black holes, regions where gravity is so intense, not even light escapes. The event horizon marks the point of no return, a boundary beyond which nothing comes back. Einstein's general relativity showed us how mass warps, space-time, and black holes are the ultimate example. Anything that crosses the event horizon, star, planet, or particle, is lost forever, its information seemingly erased. Black holes became symbols of cosmic finality, swallowing stars and lurking at galactic centers, including our own Milky Way. We studied them indirectly, watching stars orbit invisible masses and matter heat up before vanishing. The event horizon was thought to be a perfect sensor. No messages, no signals, no escape. This wasn't just theory. It was a cornerstone of astrophysics. The rule was simple. What goes into a black hole stays in a black hole. But today, June 30th, 2025, that rule is being challenged. Something impossible has happened. The universe, it turns out, is stranger than we ever imagined. For the first time, we may be hearing from the other side, and nothing will ever be the same. At the Gravitational Wave AI Nexus, or GWAI, supercomputers listen for ripples in space-time, gravitational waves from cosmic collisions. For years, the data matched our expectations. Then an advanced AI flagged something impossible, a structured repeating signal from where no signal should exist. The source? Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at our galaxy's heart. Initial disbelief gave way to shock as the AI cross-checked data from observatories worldwide. The signal was faint but real, a rhythmic pulse from beyond the event horizon. This wasn't a random burst of energy, it was organized, hinting at compressed information. It was as if something was sending a message from inside the universe's deepest prison. Scientists, long certain that nothing escapes a black hole, now faced evidence to the contrary. The news spread rapidly, igniting both excitement and fear. The world's top physicists were summoned to confront the impossible. The AI had revealed a mystery that shattered our cosmic certainty. A signal was coming from inside a black hole. The age of certainty was over. Profound questions had just begun. The universe had spoken, and we were listening. To grasp the magnitude, we journeyed to the Milky Way's center, home to Sagittarius A. This supermassive black hole, with over 4 million solar masses, anchors our galaxy. We've studied it for decades, watching stars orbit and matter flare as it's devoured. Every observation matched Einstein's predictions. Until now. The idea of a signal emerging from Sagittarius A breaks everything we thought we knew. The event horizon should be a one-way membrane. Information is supposed to be lost forever. Yet a structured signal is coming from the very heart of the beast. There's no ambiguity about its origin. It's like getting a phone call from a house sealed for a century. The message's existence alone is a direct challenge to the laws of the cosmos. This discovery was only possible thanks to artificial intelligence. Gravitational wave detectors pick up endless noise, earthquakes, trucks, cosmic events. Humans can't sift through it all, but AI can. GWAI's neural networks were trained to spot known cosmic signals and the unknown. The AI processed raw data, filtering out noise, searching for patterns that defied explanation. The signal from Sagittarius A was faint, buried deep in static. But the AI found a repeating coherent pattern, something natural chaos rarely produces. It confirmed the signal's celestial origin by comparing data across the globe. The AI's relentless analysis revealed a voice where there should have been only silence. We built a tool to find echoes of collisions, and it found something far more profound. Extraordinary claims demand extraordinary evidence. Before wild theories, scientists rigorously searched for mundane explanations. Was it a software glitch? Independent AIs, using different code, found the same signal. Hardware error? Teams checked for environmental noise, seismic events, electromagnetic interference. Nothing fit. Could a natural phenomenon, like a pulsar or magnetar, mimic the signal? Astronomers found no such object near Sagittarius A. Every plausible explanation was tested and discarded. The signal's characteristics, timing, and origin couldn't be explained by anything on Earth or in known astrophysics. The terrifying truth set in. The signal was real, structured, and coming from behind the event horizon. With every test, the impossible became undeniable. The focus shifted from debunking to understanding. The cosmos had delivered a riddle with no easy answer. The scientific world braced for what came next. The signal was exactly what it appeared to be. With conventional explanations exhausted, scientists turned to the wild frontiers of physics. Hawking's theory of black hole radiation was revisited, but standard Hawking radiation is random, not structured. The black hole information paradox resurfaced. Could information be encoded on the event horizon, leaking out as a signal? Solving this would require a new synthesis of relativity and quantum mechanics, a theory of everything. Other ideas emerged: wormholes, extra dimensions, or even shortcuts through higher realities. Once considered science fiction, these theories were now urgent topics in labs worldwide. The signal forced us to confront the limits of our knowledge. Physicists speculated: could advanced civilizations use black holes to communicate? The map of reality was being redrawn. The truth behind the signal was wilder than any theory. What truly chills us is the signal's structure. It's not a simple beep. The intervals match prime numbers, a universal sign of intelligence. The signal is compressed, like a cosmic zip file, packing vast information into faint pulses. The sender seems to understand physics and information theory at a profound level. Nested within are patterns matching fundamental physical constants, a Rosetta Stone for the universe. This isn't a greeting, it's a technical manual, engineered to be noticed and decoded. The intent is clear. This is a deliberate, sophisticated broadcast. The evidence for intelligence is compelling, if circumstantial. We're left asking not just how the signal escapes, but who is sending it, and why. The technology and intellect behind it are far beyond our own. We're like ancient humans, seeing smoke signals, knowing they mean something, but unable to read the message. The universe is speaking in a language we're only beginning to decipher. The implications are staggering. This faint signal has changed everything. It marks a turning point as profound as our first look at the stars. We've always assumed we were alone, but now, we may have neighbors of unimaginable power. Our cosmic loneliness is shattered. For science, it's a new genesis, a mystery that could drive progress for centuries. For philosophy and religion, it raises questions about our place in the universe. Is this a welcome, a warning, or a tombstone from a lost civilization? The signal's meaning will shape our future, unlocking new technologies or truths we can't yet imagine. We stand on the shore of a new cosmic ocean, receiving our first message from the deep. Humanity will never be the same. We are now participants in a cosmic dialogue. The conversation has begun.